na awo mama mi sa o obeja tum se sinitwa form asebi mu akohwefo.
How do you classify akohwe?
To my point of view, any the American say yes sinitwa form 1 muntimi ntina ware ase 2 de ware bia wompena ana afei so movie industry ni kwa no bi nwura mu no producer we ni nada we ene na kwa out enti sinitwa form ana mudin se da nye de wo man Ghana mu.
Ohene, divorce rate is very high in Ghana.
Really?
In every field, in every this thing. Into when you say sinitwa form kwa ni intimate na ware mu. Sebi me to have a degree in marketing. Ya mama ntimi am pursue me marketing no me wie IMS. Baby e me ko se me kopɛ adwuma bia just boss se me pe. Ti se ne corporate world no. Sa e man ne mema be se oba pen e wo sinitwa. It happens everywhere. Ene awarefo bebre e ware so mo twempana. But me ye je wa me tell like I said, na aware ye me fe. I aspire to be a good homemaker. So what I say, and I am daring Alatari say I'm daring any producer or any artist or any director to come out say me the way you take it's called performance and be make casting for a role.
Okay.
Ebi ye e go baby but me na nye bida.
Awo you say from a sorry about you were really coming na enye easy. Now with the Japan eba but all of a sudden na wo yirai. Ada ukoto nsum.
I went to hibernation. Ready to make us see till the right time.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Na ready do ko see say saying.
Ready to be funny ma bebre so e dey pesi.
Sanity.
Hwe bonsam ye adwuma for a purpose. Me bonsam sorry tia me na ready for sad dey no hwehwe ne when munya mo mabrabo. So when I'm going through trials and tribulations, I know there's the light at the end of the tunnel. I know na ma mani ji we ready me say sa mane ya me ko mokra no. God will see me through. But
obesu catch me say ukunu na catch say jansi nitwa.
I won't say like I said, I aspired to be a good homemaker. Our Bible must say, Oba Bema yuti. You have to be submissive to your husband. To make peace prevail in my marriage. Bema nebe family trust in me. Afe Bema say the bush your forces in for ya push for and I send for directors in your mother and I don't for what you brochure and I send for bed for the year. So to bring peace in the marriage, I decided to say me konasem. But I am taking this platform to advise every woman not to sideline her career for marriage. That it's not a good practice. Bema or no genuinely no. Wow, ama why dey what fulfill dreams Sebi e mema bebre esuro you can achieving women be me bia esuro oba obodo homodin a osuro so oba no e free man so osuro se bi oba no do top bia oba no mfa buo ni dey for ayeye man na ama mema no so because e man ska kakra ba yens ma ya ni ye
true
like I said Sani ma we na erade prepare me for something great.